Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look. It's not really winter or summer, it's just a look that I like. And it will be done with this palette right here from Lime Crime. And let's go ahead and get started. To start off this look, we're going to use Jekka Black, I think that's how you say it. This is a hydrate primer, and it's really good because the air is starting to get drier and I need that. And for eye primer, I am going to use Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, so now we are going to use this concealer just a little bit here and here to lighten up the eyes. And this is Self Beauty. If you've not heard of this brand before, that is because it is a K-beauty brand and I really like how it works on my skin, so I keep using it. For foundation, we are using Beauty Blender. I use this quite a bit. I really like how it wears. This is in shade 1.3W. Now we are doing eyebrows, and we're going to use the Cream Shop Holy Brow. Alright, the palette today is Prelude Lime Crime. This is the Chroma palette, and we are going to start off with this color right here as kind of a base color. Okay, so now we're going to take this purple color and kind of go into a little bit above the crease on both sides. Okay, so now we're going to take this kind of dark teal color and go in on the crease area and kind of towards the inner part of the lid. Okay, so now we're going to take this color right here, it's kind of like a metallic silver blue, and we're just going to go over the lid just the part that covers the eye, not the whole lid, just that part. Okay, so we're gonna go back into like this corner area of the eye, the top part and the bottom part, and use this seafoam color right here. So now we're going to go back into this color right here. It's actually called Saturn, and we're going to do the rest of the under eye in that color as well. Okay, so we're gonna line the under eye in this right here. This is Marc Jacobs in Pinky Swear. Okay, so now we're gonna line the top eyelid with this color right here from Cella. This is Violet. And obviously it's a purple color, so it's going to bring out a little bit more purple. Alright, eyeliner is done. We are moving on to mascara. First, we are going to do the bottom lashes with this right here. This is Bad Gal Bang. And that color is, of course, a blue color. Does it say the name? I don't see it. Anyways, top lashes are going to be in Marc Jacobs. This is La Cour at Lashed. Yeah, I think that's right. But that's what we're using for the top lashes. Alright, now we're going to put a light dusting of translucent powder. I don't bake, but I do like the smoothness that it gives, so I am using Beauty Bakery right here. This is, I guess it is a setting powder, translucent. Okay, so we are going to use this palette right here for some light contouring. This is Dominique Paul, and that is what the inside looks like. Okay, for blush we are going to use Marc Jacobs. This is Lush and Libido, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to use the blush slightly above here, and a little bit here, and a little bit on my nose. we are using Fenty. We are going to use the Mint Mojito, which is this one right here. Alright, for setting spray, we are using Rose Water Setting Spray from Maven Beauty. That is what the bottle looks like. For lip color, we are using Rude Cosmetics Dream Girl right here. And see, the color is this nice, pretty pink color. And then we are going to dab just a little bit of gloss from Nature's Cartel. This is VCR Static. Alright, there is my finished look. What do you guys think? If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts below on what you think of this look. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.